In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple people using Gmail. Emailing several people at once can be a huge time saver, especially if you're managing a project, sending updates, or coordinating an event. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're using a device that you're comfortable with, whether it's a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage, which should display your inbox by default. If for some reason you're not seeing your inbox, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigating a lot easier later on. Next up, we'll start composing a new email. Look toward the top left corner of your Gmail interface and click on the button that says Compose. This will open a new email window in the lower right corner of your screen. The window may appear small at first, but you can easily expand it by clicking the upward pointing arrow in the top right corner of the window if you need more space to type out your message comfortably. Now, we'll address who will be receiving your email. At the top of your new email window, you'll see the To field. Here, you'll want to add the primary recipients of your email. These are the individuals you want to directly address. Simply type in each email address and separate them with commas. As you type, Gmail might suggest contacts you frequently email. Feel free to click on a name to add it quickly. If there are people who should receive a copy of the email but aren't the main audience, you'll use the CC field. Click on the CC button to open this field if it isn't visible already. Those you add here will see all the other recipients included in the To and CC fields, helping everyone stay transparent about who else is in the loop. Sometimes, you might want to email a group without revealing everyone's email addresses. For this, use the BCC field, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. When you add recipients here, each person will receive the email but won't see the email addresses of anyone else in this field. This is particularly useful for larger, more secretive email lists. With all your recipients set, it's time to compose your message. Place your cursor in the body of the email and type your message. Be clear and concise, providing all the necessary details. You can also add attachments if needed by using the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window. Finally, once you've double-checked your recipients and your message, click the Send button at the bottom of the window. And that's it, you've successfully sent an email to multiple recipients using Gmail. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this helps streamline your emailing process.